Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can mute yourself in BlueJeans. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in simply BlueJeans, and what you want to do is just click here, mute audio, right? So I got the muted video, now you can see me, and then next to it is like mute audio. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yep, that's probably it. So just mute here. Thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. You know what I'm looking for? Why I was a little bit quiet? I'm looking how we can push the talk in recordings, but I don't know how to do that, honestly. Microphone. You can be... interesting. Good.